Let's unbox Stridor, the heroic armored warhorse. Here's a view of the side of the box, and the back of the box, and we've unboxed most of the figures featured here. The other side of the box, and a view of the top. Now let's go ahead and take this out of the packaging and put it together. We'll start with the base piece by snapping these two pieces together. This is what it should look like when it's done. Now let's swap out Stridor's armored headpiece with the superior headpiece, this one. Snap it on like so. Now we're going to put these two guns on each side. Looking pretty good so far. Don't forget his bridle. Now we can put on the blast pieces. We'll attach one to each of the guns, and now we have a finished and assembled Stridor. Let's see how he looks on his mount. Pretty nice. And there you have my review and assembly and unboxing of Stridor. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. Impressive! Now do that to He-Man! However, did you get such a strong hand?
This is the hand I use to make a bukkake!
Yeah, don't touch me with that one.
Oh, now you're trapped in my kinky cage of fucky sucky.
Oh look, it's my pet horse who loves hand jobs here to save me.
Oh no, too bigger for me!
Hi, Silver Ho, like your grandma.
Collection, each sold separately. Other action figures also sold separately. From Mattel.